Well, a big night ahead for players and fans alike here in North London. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Tottenham Hotspur versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Number 21, Dejan Kulusevski. Number 10, Harry Kane. And number 7, Son.
Cheers. Good luck.
This is the starting lineup for Tottenham Hotspur. Hugo Lloris between the posts. Heung-min Son plays with Dejan Kulusevski out wide. And the centrepiece of the attack today is Harry Kane. And here's the Wolves lineup. João Moutinho starts alongside Ruben Neves in the centre of midfield. And playing up front today is Diego Costa.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
A potentially riveting 90 minutes in front of us. Tottenham Hotspur with the kickoff. Romero. Bentancur with it. Højbjerg. Kulusevski. Emerson. Eric Dyer. Well, spot on with that challenge. Well, understandably, a lot of interest in Harry Kane and how he might perform in this match. Stuart, what are you expecting?
Well, Derek, when he's on form, when he's focused, he's a brilliant runner with the ball. He can take on players, he can go past people with ease, and he's got a great shot on him as well. I'm really looking forward to watching him play today.
Has a go, and a fine stop. Trying to deliver it accurately. Outrageously good piece of defending on the line. And the referee says penalty. This to open the scoring here. Oh, he's guessed correctly and saved it.
Well, for good measure, we can see it again, but clearly not over the line. Can be no debate over that decision.
Corner kick played in. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. And they deal with the threat this time. Superb block. It's looking promising. Could be. Keeper did his job to begin with. And problem solved for now. Well, can they be creative from here? Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer, and you have to say it was on the cards.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick. But really, the goalkeeper should never be exposed that easily. Great team goal, but woeful defending.
Goal for
1-0 then.
Wolverhampton Wanderers. Number 29, Diego Costa.
Kane. Bentancur. And on to Kulusevski. Kane. Heung-min Son. Well, they keep working away, looking for an opening. And the right place to cut out the pass. Son. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Mateus Nunes. Well, he would have been disappointed had he spilled that one. Harry Kane. Wolves with the ball once more. Well, putting it wide from there. A pity, really. He's given it straight to the opposition. He's going forward well here. Oh, terrific save.
Well, you're absolutely right. That's a top-class save. Just look how he reacts.
So the corner played into the box. And a bit short with the clearance. Well, really rifling that one in, and he didn't miss by much. Davis. Now Dyer. Harry Kane. Emerson. Looking for that final pass and for that chance to level the game. And teammates to play it to. Really important piece of last-ditch defending.
Well, as you can see, Wolves are struggling to control possession, but when they have had it, they've looked so dangerous, particularly when they press high up the field, win the ball back in those areas, and then counter-attack quickly.
Well, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Failed to keep hold of it. And he read it well, intercepting it. Well, the supporters think it's on. It's got to be! Oh, he's missed it!
Well, he'll be very disappointed with that. He should be scoring from there.
Possession lost, intercepted. Space for Wolves out wide. Well, a top-notch piece of defensive judgment. No more time left. That is it for the first half here at the home of Tottenham. Well, not a game so far at any rate. Harry Kane is going to remember fondly. Hasn't really been able to make his mark, Stuart.
Yeah, he just hasn't been able to affect the game so far. He hasn't had too much of the ball, but even when he has, he's not looked threatening.
So they get the ball rolling once again, and it's advantage Wolves after the first half. Let's see what the second 45 has in store for us here. Now, what can they do from here? Son. Can he take the chance? And thumped away. Moutinho. Effective challenge. Ivan Perisic. Oh, couldn't quite find his teammate. That's useful play. And the keeper had the measure of it. Eccentric goalkeeping. Ruben Neves. Nunes. And teammates around him. Harry Kane. And a goal here for Tottenham, who have evened things up.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. Well, we're into the final half hour. Kilman.
If you've lost your mobile phone, can you please make your way to reception after the game? Thank you.
Ruben Neves. Oh, this is looking promising. Must be. Oh, keeper dealt with it.
Substitution for Wolves.
Time for a change then.
29, Diego Costa. Coming onto the pitch, number 9, Raul Jimenez.
Who's going to get on the end of it? And the keeper making sure there were no scraps for them to feed on. Emerson. Well read to ease the pressure. Perisic. They're getting right on top of their opponents and winning it back. Wang Hee-chan. Kulusevski. Can he finish? Oh, just wide of the mark. Goal kick.
Well, that never looked like troubling the keeper, did it? But it was worth an effort. A good strike from him.
And with play stopped, they will make the change now.
Well, you can't argue with those stats, can you? We've had good chances at both ends. The game is being played with great intensity, and it's been a pleasure to watch.
Oh, what's he gone and done? Good-looking sequence. No, high-quality defending. Chance to run at them. This looks promising. Superb block. Can they hit on the break? Looked like an effective counter-attack, but brilliantly read. And the pass, a good one. Ruben Neves. And a goal at this stage might well turn out to be decisive. It has to be. Super goalkeeping in such a tight game.
Well, he's just kept them in this. Brilliant goalkeeping, that is.
Played over. Struggling to get it away. Oh, good save to keep them level.
Well, at this stage of the game, that's a vital stop. Fantastic from the keeper.
And now the delivery. Oh, a goal! And is that going to be the one that wins it for them? There's every chance, and the fans are lapping this up.
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box, and then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Harry Kane. And Højbjerg with it. The clock is against Tottenham, but they might yet bite back. Perfect challenge. Could be a chance to break here. Moutinho. An easy one for Lloris. And the referee has deemed that an additional 4 minutes are in order. And lining it up. Well, relying on the goalkeeper.
Well, there's not long left now, but that just about keeps them in it.
Another goal from this corner would in all likelihood secure victory. Trying to pick out a teammate. Podence. Mateus Nunes. Jimenez. Well, able to close down the shot. So the final whistle, and it's a story of defeat for Spurs in this one. What did you make of it all?
Well, I thought it was a really intense game. Lots of quality, lots of good individual displays. In the end, though, they won't be happy with the defeat, nor the manner of it, conceding so late on.
Well, in the final analysis, it was a top-level contribution from Raúl Jimenez. How many times do we say that? Quite a lot. Stuart, sum up for us what impressed you most of all.
Well, he was excellent today, and he gave them that all-important lead. They just struggled to cope with him. His movement was so clever.